Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to change your vehicle in the Spark Driver app. First, open the Spark Driver app on your phone. If you are using Android, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. Then tap Vehicles. If you are using iOS, tap More in the bottom right corner, then tap Vehicle Details. Once you are on the Vehicle Details screen, look for the button labeled Add Vehicle. Tap that button. Next, you will see a list of vehicle types. Choose the appropriate type for your car. After selecting the correct type, tap Save. This will save your new vehicle information in the app. If your vehicle has insurance on file, make sure it is up to date. The app may require valid auto insurance documentation before accepting the new vehicle. You can update your auto insurance by going to Menu, then Account, Driving Documents, and finally Auto Insurance. Then upload a valid insurance image. Once your new vehicle is added and insurance verified, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.